like this big. He did a bicycle kick from the halfway line, and I was like, how has he just done that, bro? Like, Schrock is crazy.
Schrock played for Bundesliga, bro.
But he played in the Bundesliga,
yeah. It's amazing already.
Did you watch Maharlika versus United City?
No.
In the like recently, bro? They destroyed them. United City destroyed Maharlika. Is it like 10-0 or something? 10-0. Schrock isn't, and like Schrock plays so well, bro.
Schrock is amazing, bro. He's the only person I watch in Arsenal.
You know, yeah, when I was in Dubai with my dad, we went to watch AFC Asian Cup, and I got to watch Korea versus Ascals. Korea, like South Korea versus Ascals. Yeah. I think Korea won like 3-1, 2-1, and then I watched Korea versus. No, Son didn't play. He was on the bench. Yeah. No, wait. I think like the Premier League was still happening. And they didn't want him to go.
Amazing, man.
I love Henry. Son Heung-min.
He's like a Tottenham star, right?
Yeah.
And then in
Bro,
Korea,
he's not.
he's like the number one.
He's a celeb,
in
bro.
Korea.
I know.
Like his face is everywhere, bro. I know. What? He's a football player, but he's like more than.
I know that I was watching a video about it, and he was
Yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah.
Son, did you? Yeah, that one video. I think it was on.
Like there was a girl who was like,
Yeah.
all of her savings is like
To go see
Son.
That was crazy. And I don't think she was even a big fan of football before. She's just a fan of Son.
She's a fan of Son.
Yeah.
She went to England to watch him. That was just amazing, man.
That guy is insane. I really like him.
I love how simple he plays.
Yeah.
Simple and really effective.
He's the best, one of the best Asian players I've ever seen. Yeah.
Except for the Man United
Jason
play.
Park. Oh, he's my favorite.
He's amazing, man. He's amazing. And then,
Bro,
after him, it was Son.
You know the chant about him is so bad. Like, it's racist. It's a racist chant. The chant about him is racist, bro. Yeah. It's like, well, when I first heard it, I was like, oh my god, how could you even say that? But they all sing it. They all sing it. When we get out this house, I'll tell you what it is. It's crazy, bro. English people are like racist, man. I'm not gonna lie. You know what they call it? Like sometimes, you know what they used to call me in England? They used to call me a chink. Yeah. But I'm used to it, you know. I don't really care. I'm like always.
Paglabas natin, naligo na tayo lahat.
Pero yung nagawa niya dito. Kumako lang naman ito. Ikaw mag-usap mo?
Rosulat! Jisoo!
Imagine ako nasa usap.
Ansu!
Jesus! Anso, abang-abang dun sa TV. Wait, simula na lang yung shower call! Dito ako sa'yo. Doon ka sa ano ni Chico.
Hey!
Likod ni Chico. Teka.
Bro, I feel it first.
Internet. Ano yung tawag doon? Internet Chico.
I know, hindi mo kasi say it eh.
Remove my phone.
Galaan niyo maligo ha.
Ba't ka dyan?
Naman lang, gusto ko lang na proper na line.
Can you hide me, Ella?
Pinapunta ko niya ang coffee cake. Pinapunta kasi ano.
Ayun.
Cool. Siblings mo lang ganyan. Pakawag. Siblings na pala mga tawagan natin yan. Siblings.
Oscar sibling.
Pili ko nga pa ipagganap si Kuya sa atin. Pag malapit na Christmas.
Happy about something.
No.
And Kyron's outside. Oh, before here, right? Kyron was outside. Kyron's outside. And she was outside before lining up here.
Wala ba? Ang ganda na nga eh. Gusto ko magpatanggal na to. Lamyan. Pwede din ng ano, ano ang tawag doon? Nagpag-ano ako before. Yung ano, dito. Ganyan, yung parang ginagano na siya, parang machine lang siya. Oh, bakit? Hindi! Sa labas lang. Oh, ano lang siya, like pagkatapos ng facial.
Justin, dalian mo ha. Tayo mo maligo.
Anyways, dude, I was like, obviously happy, dude. I'm happy.
Gusto ko na daw yung si Russo eh. Tarot-tarot. Gian. Si Gian. Sumugit ang Gian. Basta pang pag-game. Sabi, ano din ako lang eh.
Actually, gusto ko naman. Sa labas. Ate. Sa labas. Yeah.
Hello, sana naka-shower na ako bago tayo.
Hindi pa ako nakakapaglaba. Shower call. I don't think so. I can't shower slow.
I had 3 accounts. Which is my like I delete the other 2.
Yes.
Like I just want to be so my I don't think I don't think